Have you heard that EXP's office is 100% in the cloud and you're not sure if that's for you as a real estate agent? Well, in this video, we're actually going to take a tour of the EXP office as well as the ability to meet clients in person. And if that's interesting to you, be sure to stick around because we're going to get started right now. Hey, what's up? I'm Brandon Melvin, realtor and team leader. I help coach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers on how to grow and scale their real estate business through creative and innovative digital marketing, content creation for social media, as well as tried and true methods to have your business work harder for you than you do for it. If you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, close more deals, and scale your team, you'll absolutely love this video and this channel. So keep watching. All right, what's up, y'all? We are actually in the EXP World office, and we're going to get a little tour today. So this is where you start off when you do enter into the world, and you can see to my right here, there's a bunch of agents that just jumped into the world as well. So whatever they're looking to do, they're going to take care of business here. You can kind of see it's like a college campus, if you will, with actually some skyscrapers and everything involved. So looking up at that, you can see all of the countries that we are in right now. At the current time of this recording of this video, we're in 18 countries. We're supposed to launch in 3 more in this quarter. So some really good things happening here. When you first jump in, you're going to see this information desk here. So any questions that you might have pertaining to anything to do with your business and you don't know where to go, hit that person up right there and they'll guide you in the right direction. You also have this little section off to the right. They do have the featured classes. So this week's top classes are going to be featured right there. You can just click on that and it will give you more information about that. Let's come over here to the left. We have a full calendar schedule of all of our training right here. What you would do is you would just click on this and it will pop up all of the classes that we have for the foreseeable future here, actually, and they'll change from time to time, but you can see today is Thursday and we have all of these classes lined up. So we have more than 80 hours every single week of training. If you're a new agent and you want to learn how to do whatever it is in real estate, we've most likely got a class and it's going to be taught by one of the top instructors, the top producing agents within the brokerage. Those are the ones that are teaching these classes. So you can see here, this is just one day, by the way. So this is Thursday. All of these classes are being taught. Looks like we just jumped a ton of time in the future here, but you can see all of these classes. If you wanted to register for one of these classes, you would just click on it. So here, marketing secrets, advanced tips to grow your brand. You would click on that. And then you can even put it in your schedule, copy to my calendar, and then from your Google Calendar, you're right there, you know where to go and how to get into it. So that's pretty cool and really powerful when you can go and get any kind of training that you want to at any time. So let's go back into the world. It sounds, if you can hear that music, someone must have been dancing here. We do some pretty fun things within our EXP world. You can kind of see me here. I'll show what you were probably hearing. So you would go to yourself. You can do all kinds of fun things. You can cheer, clap, raise a hand. That's pretty helpful whenever you're in a class. But here, this is what someone was doing, was dancing. So there's still fun things that you can do within our EXP world. In the cloud office, pretty cool stuff. And then there's fun places to go as well. But let me show you where some helpful locations might be. So you can either walk there, or you can just click to this little icon here and then you can teleport to wherever you need to go. So for instance, let's do this. Let's go to agent onboarding and support and then onboarding self-help. So this is a room that you can go to and get some self-help. Now, yes, EXP's office is in the world, it's in the cloud. However, we do have access to in-person meeting rooms if you would like it. If you've heard of Regis, that is something that we're partnered with, and so it's very powerful. You just click here, register. I know that in my location in San Antonio, there's 8 or 9 locations that you can actually go and visit, and it's free. You go in there, you can use their lobby. You can bring one person with you. Now, if you wanted to rent like massive, rooms and things of that nature, then you'd have to, pay for that. But you get free access wherever you're at to be able to stop in and conduct business. You have some other things here, such as the EXP partners, onboarding status, so you can check and see where you're at in that. You have the checklist when you're getting going for new agents, the Explore guide, where you need to go and what's going to be helpful, some facts, and then the marketing center. So very cool places to visit there. And once again, yes, we're in the cloud, but you do have the ability to meet clients in person if you would like to do that. Something else I want to show you, let's do this. Let's go to our tech support in Outpost. So if you have any kind of computer problems, issues that you need to do, you would just go here, tech support lobby, and we're going to teleport right over there. And I can take this little tech support tab, and then I'm going to be sitting down in front of somebody just like right over here. You can kind of see that. They're talking right now. I don't know what it's about. Maybe they need some help with a microphone issue or some kind of service that we offer. But you're able to get that pretty easily available. I know that wherever I was, prior to this in my other brokerage, I'd have to, maybe make a call, not get a hold of someone, maybe send an email, maybe drive up to the office because it's so important, and then try and get a hold of somebody. But right here, you can see very easily I'm in front of somebody with the ability to get whatever problem I have solved. And so that's pretty cool if you ask me. Now let's do this. Another place I want to show you, wherever you're at in the United States. Okay, broker state rooms. I'm in Texas, so I would just literally click on this. Whatever state you're in, you can click on that and go meet with your broker in the broker state office, usually within minutes. Right now, I went in here earlier. Looks like they're in a meeting, but what I can do is go to a transaction ticket. So if I have an issue with the transaction, I'd click this, and now I'm on the wait list. So what's really funny, you can actually come on over here, and you see some other agents already sitting down waiting. I can come sit down. Let me walk over here a little bit further, and then I can have a seat. And there we go, sitting waiting for my turn in line. So pretty cool. And then I can actually conduct other business while my little avatar is waiting to be helped. And that way I'm not wasting any time. So again, a very convenient factor to having the world office being in the cloud. Let me show you one more place because I think this one is really cool. We're going to check out our partner hub, which is really cool because there's all kinds of amazing like partners that we have relationships with that will help you in your business. Once we teleport there, you're going to be able to check out some really cool things. Okay, we're here now. Let's go over here. I'm going to click that way, and it's going to walk towards the direction I want to go. Shift, so we're going to run, so pretty fun there. And you can check out our Expo Center. These are some partnerships that we have with other companies to help us as agents grow and scale our business. So the CE shop, you can take continuing education there. We own Success Magazine, by the way, so that's pretty cool. All kinds of important interviews that we do with other type of industry model leaders, and so really fun stuff there. Exp Agent Healthcare, that's pretty cool. So that's something that I know at my prior brokerage was not offered, but if you wanted to learn more about how you as a real estate agent can get healthcare, affordable healthcare at that, you can come learn everything you need to here. Moving down a little further, you have a few other things, some title companies that we're partnered with, American Preferred Home Warranty as well. Check this out. I want to speed up just a little bit. Herbio. This is cool. So check that out. It says, we fix it, you list it, sellers pay at closing. So that's a service that, we have a partnership with them. If, a seller that you have needs some, minor modifications to the home, this is a pretty cool program to investigate so they can have it fixed up and not have to worry about paying for anything until after closing. So very powerful in that aspect. Logo and branding, all of the information that you need having to do with that so you can market yourself successfully as a real estate professional. And it just goes on, and there's obviously more to the other side of the room. Let me jump over here real quick because I want to show you the KB Core. This is really cool. If you're not aware of this service as a real estate agent, please check it out. This is extremely powerful. This is where I get the majority of my leads from through social media, KB Core, Craigslist, Facebook, Pinterest, wherever you want to. Basically, you can use this system and this software to generate business. Check out my channel. I do have some more information on how to utilize this system as well. And it's extremely helpful to a real estate agent's business. So Wrapping things up now, guys, I hope you enjoyed a tour of our EXP Cloud office. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. I'll get you the answer. If you want a little bit of elaboration on anything as well, I can send you a 2-week guest pass to check out everything that you've seen and more. Take some of our classes. Again, over 80 hours of live education every single week and growing. Reach out. You can get your free personal coaching call with me as well. Check the description I have. There's a lot of cool links and some educational items I have for you. Once again, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this content. Hope you enjoyed the channel. If you do, definitely hit that like button and on the videos. That way it gets sent out to more people who will also potentially like it. And then subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time I put out new content and you stay on top of your game. Until next time, go sell some homes.